Take a warning tape and caution tape the perimeter. Attach the tape to the rebar in the highlighted area, then pull it to the next rebar and attach it by pulling the trigger. Take the warning sign. Place a warning sign behind the taped perimeter. Take a harness and check for defects such as loose fibers or cuts. To do this, take it in your hand and examine it from all sides. Put on the fall arrest safety harness. Take the bag and attach it to your belt. To do this, take it in your hand, open the bag. Take the ratchet wrench harness carabiner and hook it to the bag. Take the coil harness carabiner and clip it to the bag. Take and place the ratchet wrench in your bag. Take and place the coil in the bag. Turn your back to the worker and wait until he attaches the safety line to the carabiner on your back. Take your carabiners and attach them to the harness. To do this, move the carabiners to the highlighted area on the fall arrest harness and pull the trigger. Attach the carabiners to the rung. To do this, move the carabiners from the harness to the highlighted areas on the rung. Climb the ladder. To do this, grasp the next rung with both hands to climb the steps. Then, alternately reattach the carabiners to the next rung while holding on to it with one hand. Climb onto the floor platform. Detach the carabiners from the ladder and attach to the harness. Attach the carabiners to the rung of the ladder, leading to the roof of the structure. Climb the ladder. To do this, grasp the next rung with both hands to climb the steps. Then, alternately reattach the carabiners to the next rung while holding on to it with one hand. Climb onto the floor platform. To do this, detach the carabiners from the ladder and attach to the harness. Attach the safety carabiner to the anchor line. To do this, bring the carabiner to move to the safety area using the green circles. Detach the carabiner from the anchor line and attach the safety carabiner to the next anchor line. Move along the anchor line to the next safety area. Detach the carabiner from the anchor line and go down the ladder, holding on to the rung. To do this, move your hand to the railing and hold the trigger. Then, without releasing the railing, move along the green circles to the end of the ladder. Stop unsafe behavior. To do this, hover the controller pointer over the unsafe behavior and pull the trigger. Point out the need to collect the tools that are on the floor. Take the ladder and place it in the area near the wall. To do this, bring the ladder to the highlighted area against the wall and pull the trigger. Extend the ladder and hook it with the metal hooks at the top of the ladder over the edges of the structure for stability. Attach the carabiners to the rung. To do this, move the carabiners, climb to the top of the ladder. To do this, grasp the next rung with both hands to climb the steps. Then reattach the carabiners one by one to the next rung, holding on to it with one hand. Open the belt bag. Take the coil out of the bag. Place the coil on the bracket. To do, unhook the carabiner from, grasp the coil safety attach the coil safety carabiner using, go down the ladder. Remember to hold on to the rung. Detach the carabiners from the ladder and attach to the harness. Detach the coil safety, attach it to the back of the worker. Proceed to the work area. You cannot get to the place you need due to the actions of other worker. Ask the worker to temporarily stop these actions. Proceed to the work area and begin to work. To do this, move your hand to the highlighted work area and pull the trigger. The task is completed.